guys! Welcome to my vlog. Once again, this is EMSIE. Para may iba naman, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano magluto ng Tortang Dulong. Let's go!
Gagamit tayo ng dulong, also well known as silverfish in English. It's probably due to its color. It's a very tiny fish, barely an inch and quite transparent in appearance. It's a staple in the Philippines because it's super delicious, especially when cooked while still fresh. Hugasan lang natin muna siya into running water. At ito na ang ating mga sangkap sa tortang dulong. Gagamit tayo ng dulong or silverfish, 1 piece of egg, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of breading mix, 3 pieces of tomatoes diced, garlic, onion, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper to taste. First thing to do is to mix all the ingredients. Add the garlic, onion, tomatoes, and mix all together. Next is season with salt and pepper. Add na din natin yung egg, whisk lang ng onte and mix until mag-incorporate. Add na natin ang ating dulong and let's mix all together until well combined. After mixing it, add na din ang cornstarch at breading mix. Haluin lang natin ito ng mabuti sa mag-dissolve ng ating cornstarch at ang breading mix natin. Then, ito yung gusto ko talaga na consistency ng ating mixture. So, ayan. Mag-init na tayo ng mantika sa pan. Pag mainit na, ilagay na natin yung egg molder para parehas ang sukat. I-fill lang natin yung molder ng ating mixture at hayaan lang natin siya for a few minutes. Pag golden brown na yung ating torta, tsaka natin siya i-flip para doon naman sa other side yung maluluto. So, pagka nag-firm na yung torta natin, pwede na natin tanggalin yung egg molder. Tsaka natin i-flip para doon sa other side naman yung maluto. Pag may nakikita kayong white doon sa inyong torta, pwede nyo naman sabuyan ng mantika para mag-even yung kulay. So, ayan, luto na, pwede na natin hanguin. At ito na ang ating finished product! Enjoy! Sa sausawan naman guys, it's optional. Pwede kayong gumamit ng ketchup, pwede kayong gumamit ng sweet chili sauce, pwede rin kayong gumawa ng yung suka na may bawang. It depends on your choices guys.
Thanks for watching! Please don't forget to like and subscribe! And also guys, huwag niyo kalimutan i-click yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa